India Foxtrot to Golf, 20 drivers, let us know when the track is clear, please.
A firm, track is clear and ready to go live.
Thank you so very much for coming here today to Brands Hatch. Here we are with Evo magazine, with Hyundai, looking into what is available at the moment with the i30 and the N brand.
It's just the car that can do everything. You can be entertained at really quite modest speeds.
It's noticeable from the minute you get in it. This is special, this is different.
That's the main mission of the hot hatch. It should give you a unique driving pleasure from the point when you start the engine until you turn the engine off.
Brands Hatch is yours. I'm sure you're going to have a great day.
I'm interested in the Hyundai. I thought too good an opportunity to miss to come to Brands Hatch and have a drive one of their cars.
I've done a few track days.
I'm expecting it to be quite exciting.
It was amazing. You think you're a god of a driver.
Drives very well. Brakes are good, suspension's good. Yeah, I think it's a good car.
It was incredible, and it really felt, really sharp bit of kit.
This has been superb.
I've had a really great day here today. Thank you very much, Evo, for letting me come along.